Yo! Happy weekend. Ronski here. It's a Monday today. Monday madness. We're just trying out this setup. Front cam lang habang pauwi. Whoa! If you've been following the channel, you guys know I'm from San Fernando, Pampanga. And I do this vlogs, motovlogs to and from work. Yeah. I'm doing my commute on a Vespa Sprint S150. And yun, ayun yung lagi kong nakakasalubong sa daan. Shout out to you, brother. Hindi kami magkakilala pero yan, ang cool ni sir naka Rusi 250 yan, pero naka gentleman's outfit lagi siya, pang opisina. Lagi kami nagkakasabay sa daan pauwi, pero mas malayo yung inuwihan niya. Speaking of San Fernando, patok ngayon dito yung mga croissants. In fact, may pa-thank you akong na-receive kanina na croissant. Actually, kaming lahat na nasa office. A client who owns the Croissants de Pampanga. I hope I remember that right. Croissants de Pampanga. Ay, super sarap ng mga croissants nila. Super. They're located at the Lazatin Boulevard. And probably minsan gawan natin siya ng proper visit para makita nyo. Sarap. Nauuso yung croissants dito. I've been telling Miss Det, yung client natin, iba pa rin yung lasa ng croissants nila. They've got that classic croissant taste. Sabi nga, cut above the rest, a taste above the rest. Well, you be the judge. Other stores offering croissants are you have Baker's Shop. The other local cafes here, ngayon meron ng Our Cafe, yung bago. Pero halos lahat ng mga big cafes dito, they're offering croissants already. And dati hindi ba siya pinapansin croissants but they've been getting more fancy lately. May mga croissants na nag-asawa ng cookie, naging ano man tawag nila dun, brownies na kinumbine sa croissant. Cronies. Parang ganun. Ang weird. Crookies. Ay, parang croissants and cookies combined. Ang weird. If you ask me, okay na ako dun sa simpleng croissant tapos merong feeling na, say, some cream cheese or whatever, or something may meat. Simple lang. That's it for me. And mas gusto ko siya actually kapag medyo may effort yung ride. Yung post ride parang siya, reward ba. Dati ang style namin is magbabike, tapos at the cafe destination, ayun, order ng coffee and croissant. How do you say it? Croissant. How do you properly say it? Like the Italians, like the French. Nagfa-fog na tong lens ko Kailangan na ng treatment. Ayan. We've slowed down. we encountered traffic dito na sa Sakop area. So far, wala na akong nakikita mga e-bikes, e-trikes. Although, I think until end of the month yung ano nila, di ba? Palugit. So far dito sa San Fernando, well, at least dito sa area na to ng MacArthur, wala masyado. May mga ano lang, yung mga tuk-tuk, but motorized naman yun eh. So OMG, ang laki nito. What's this? A crane. Putzmeister. Wow. Pagka ano, biyahe pa office, yan, sigurado lang meron tayong ano, music via our comms unit. Kayo, anong playlist nyo? Right now, I'm loving Olivia Dean, The Man I Need. Yung mga ganong ano, vibe. Or even as far as ano, yung mga tipo ng style ni ano, Taylor Swift. Yung ba title nun, style? Yung You've got that James Dean daydream look in your eyes. Ayun, we just passed ano, our cafe, yung bago na the biggest coffee here in San Fernando. Walang gastos dito sa San Fernando. You know how many malls we have here in San Fernando? SM alone, we have 1, 2, 3 major malls, SM malls. In one city. And then, tumbling ka ng konti, there's Angeles, there's Clark. O, diba? Iba pa yung mga Robinsons malls, Vista malls. And let's not get started about cafes and coffee shops. Diyos ko Lord, sobrang dami. Oh, lane filter. Masikip. Do you lane filter with your Vespa? Pagka maluwag naman, diba? Oh, di ba? Si Kuya, oh. Si Click, oh. Sige lang, oh. Ayan, oh, oh. Ingay, oh. Ingay. Paano nila natatagalan yung maingay na tambucho, no? I remember nung we made that trip from San Fernando to the highest point of the Philippine highway system sa Tinok. And we also made the trip to the first one, yung Atok. Ayun, it was a 2-day ride. The first one was reaching Atok, and then overnight, the next morning, we went to Tinok. Ang dala ko nun yung Bart. And syempre, big bike vibes. Medyo malakas yung tunog nung setup ng exhaust ko nun. Pero hindi naman masyado. LTO compliant pa rin naman. But yung tipong mga 95 decibels, ganyan. And on that trip, ay nagsawa ako sa sound ng exhaust. After that one, pinalitan namin yung muffler. Or at least we made adjustments with the what do you call that? The DB killer. So, in-install na namin ng DB killer. And then eventually, pinalitan namin yung canister. I mean, that's harmful to you, di ba? If you like use it on a daily. Kasi si Smart, hindi ko naman siya pinang-daily eh. Like weekend rides yan. Actually lately hindi ko pa nagagamit. May agyo na nga nung pina-moto wash ko. Nakakantsawan tuloy ako nung owner ni Auto Bliss. Inaagyo na lang yung motor ko. Ayun. Harmful yun. What do you call that, yung sakit sa tenga? Tinnitus. Yung may ringing sound na constant, mahirap na siyang tanggalin. Once you have that, mahirap gamutin yun actually. If it's even curable. So we're now at the Rosario stop. Uy, ang ganda ng ganda ng sky. Tingnan natin if we can let you take a look. Ayan o. May pinkish hue yung skyline. Tagal nating hindi nakikita yung skyline na yan nung ulan-ulan, di ba? It was all white every day. Gray skies. Dark gray. Oh yeah, it's green! It's green. You see my sweatshirt. May long sleeve shirt. Sabi niya to, Discovery. Ayan. Favorite ko to actually suotin pang motor. Actually hand me down ito from Papa Steve from the US. Galing kay Ate Chiki. Shout out to you guys. Salamat sa mga padala. Coincidentally, magka-size kami ni Papa Steve. Assuming sa kanya to baka hindi pala. It's chaotic. I think today mag-start yung simbang gabi, di ba? 15 ba? The nighttime mass novena. Kasi may nighttime masses, tapos meron naman talaga yung traditional na early dawn. Another stoplight. Ito, it's another coffee shop Let's Coffee Shop. Meron to dito, and then meron sa Angeles. And then katabi niya, coffee shop din, Grande. Pandesal Coffee. Pandesal plus coffee. Oh no. Sikip. Oh no. Girl, put your records on. Ito playlist ko ngayon. I have maliit na side mirrors, so hindi naman sila super liit, kaya lang nasanay lang din ako na not relying on them too much. I mean, tumitingin pa rin talaga ako sa likod or sa sides just to be sure, not blindsided. Kayo din ba? Gabi na naalala ko tuloy parang kailangan ko ng headlight upgrade. Uy, Scoot Papi. Now, Scoot Papa. Hello. Pag ganitong takip silim, hindi ko man napapansin yung headlight. Pero meron pala. Yun. Napit na tayo. That's it. Chill lang. Kwento lang. Thank you for riding with me. Bye-bye.
I was waiting for the weekend, waiting for some reason.